So I'm sitting here on a nice, lovely Sunday, drinking my coffee. I know it's in a Yeti cup, don't hate, but I'm wondering, why does watching my Titans always seem to be a horrible experience? Maybe it's because I don't have the right snack. Maybe I should get a different appetizer. Yeah, I know. Meatballs. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining us today. The meatballs we're going to make today are a classic recipe, and they've always been a go-to party favorite. I'm sure you've had them before, and if you've never made them, I'm going to show you how easy it is. It just takes 3 ingredients. First and foremost, your meatballs. You'll need a 32-ounce bag. I'm going with home style instead of Italian. It's going to be in a barbecue-based sauce and not an Italian sauce. Second ingredient, of course, is going to be your barbecue sauce of choice. You can either make your own if you have your own recipe. I'm going with Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy. I think that'll be a good flavor profile for the meatballs. You'll need 2 cups of this. And then you'll need 1 cup of jelly. And I'm going to use Smucker's because with a name like Smucker's, it's got to be good. Okay, got my ingredients all measured out. First thing you want to do is add the barbecue sauce and jelly. So here's 2 cups. Then we'll add the jelly. You want to take this nice stiff spoon and mix this all up. Now we just need to add the meatballs. Combine everything together. Go ahead and place the lid on it to seal it. So now we want to turn the pot on. The default's at 4. We're going to go ahead and leave it there because it has to cook for 3.5 hours on high, and it's already on high. So we're going to let it go, and we'll see you in a little while. Okay, it's only been about 2.5 hours. I thought it would take about 3, but I checked them at 2.5, stirred them up, and they're ready to go. Ooh, I almost fogged up my glasses. Check it out, can you hear them sizzling? Golly, these are gonna be great. Let's give them a try. All right, today I've got some test tasters with me. They're gonna be my guinea pigs. Hot.
That's a spicy meatball!
Is it good? They're a little hot, but I don't know. They are good. The sweet and spicy definitely, you can taste a little bit of kick in it, but I think the jelly cooled it down some, so perfect.
Can I eat this now?
Yeah. Ooh, that one's up straight out of the crock pot. That one's really hot. Guys, please like, subscribe, and hit your notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Make sure you make this recipe. You will not regret it. Enjoy.